Recently, I've been building a Discord clone in Flutter, and honestly, I am having so much fun doing that. I posted it on Reddit and LinkedIn and got some awesome feedback. Some people are interested in seeing the source code, while others are simple creators who just want to know how I built this teeny tiny collapsible menu. Besides the fact that I haven't posted any tutorial in a while and the general anxiety that not posting might lead to a decline in my viewership, here I am to show you how to build collapsible menus in Flutter with 5 easy steps. Now this step is definitely a no-brainer because you need to create a Flutter project. Remove all the boilerplate code from the main.dart file, which is the homepage widget, and add a dashboard widget there instead. Create the dashboard widget inside the dashboard.dart file, which is going to have a row stretching across the entire screen, with a colored box on the left side, which is the menu that we would like to collapse, and other content on the right from where we can trigger this UI event, preferably from the icon button. It is important that we wrap the right side of the content with expanded because we want to fill the entire screen when the left menu closes. Now go to main.dart and reference the dashboard widget we just created. If you run the app now, this is how it should look like. I should probably introduce you to the magic widget that is going to handle the sizing of the menu for us. Behold, AnimatedSize, which from the documentation creates a widget that animates its size to match that of its child. We can wrap this widget over the sized box widget so it can animate the size of the sized box for us. I'm going to go with curves.fastOutSlowIn and a duration of 600 milliseconds because that is what is optically appealing to my eyes. But feel free to play around with it and choose whatever you like. If you change the width of the size box now and do a hot reload, you're going to see that the left menu animates to that size smoothly. Let's add functionality to the menu button so we can toggle it. Convert the dashboard widget to be stateful. Add a new variable that will hold the state for the menu. Let's call it menu is open and set it to false. Use a ternary operator to set the width of the size box based on whether the menu is open or not. And finally, make sure the menu state changes when we tap on the menu icon button. And you're done. Now, when you click on the menu icon button, the drawer will open and close as expected. But wait, if we put actual content in the menu, we will see that it's going to disappear during the closing animation, but reopens pretty nicely. I can see why this would happen because when we try to close the menu with width 0, AnimatedSize tries to compensate for the excessive space taken up by the content of the menu and prevents overflow. If you want to go a step further and make it responsive, then wrap the body of scaffold with safe area. And now the menu button should become clickable. Determine if the screen is a mobile screen or not by comparing the screen width, and if it is less than 500, then edit the sized box width calculation logic to make sure the width is 150 for mobile and 200 for other devices. You can always edit this because the hard-coded values will depend on your use case. And there you have it. We just created a collapsible menu for web, desktop, Android, and iOS. I hope you learned something new today, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video about the Discord clone I'm building. I will leave the links to the source code of this tutorial, the Reddit and the LinkedIn posts for the Discord clone demo that I am building in the description. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.